This video tutorial I will explain how monitors work, LCD versus LED versus touch screen. Monitor is a screen of your computer where you can see everything like text, images and videos. There are different types of monitors like LCD, LED and touch screen. What is LCD monitors? LCD is nothing but liquid crystal display. An LCD monitor uses liquid crystals to create images on the screen. These crystals don't produce their own light, so the monitor needs a backlight to make the images visible. How does it work? The liquid crystals are sandwiched between two layers of glass. When electricity passes through the crystals, they twist and block or allow light to pass through. A backlight shines through the crystals to create images you see. What are the pros of LCD monitors? First point is thin and light. LCD monitors are slim and easy to carry. Second point is energy efficient. They use less power than older monitors like CRT. Third point is good image quality. They produce clear and sharp images. What are the cons of LCD monitors? First point is limited viewing angles. The image may look less clear if you view the image from the side. Second point is slower response time. Not ideal for fast moving images like gaming. What is LED monitors? LED is nothing but light emitting diode. An LED monitor is a type of LCD monitor, but it uses LEDs for the backlight instead of fluorescent lights. This makes it brighter and more energy efficient. LED is nothing but tiny light bulbs. How does it work? Like LCD monitors, LED monitors uses liquid crystals to create images. Instead of fluorescent backlight, LED monitors uses LEDs to light up the screen. The LEDs can be placed either around the edges or behind the screen. What are the pros of LED monitors? First point is brighter and clearer. LEDs produce brighter and more vibrant colors. Second point is more energy efficient. They use less power than LCD monitors. Third point is thinner design. LED monitors are even thinner than LCD monitors. What are the cons of LED monitors? First point is more expensive. LED monitors usually cost more than LCD monitors. Second point is edge lit issues. Edge lit LEDs may have uneven brightness. What is a touchscreen monitor? A touchscreen monitor lets you touch the screen to give commands, just like a smartphone or tablet. The screen has a sensitive layer that detects your touch. When you touch the screen, it sends signal to the computer to perform an action. There are two main types of touchscreens. First one is resistive, works by pressure. You can use a finger or stylus. Second one is capacitive, works by sensing the electric charge from your finger. What are the pros and cons of touchscreen monitors? First point is easy to use. You can directly interact with the screen. Second point is great for portability, often used in tablets, smartphones, and all in one computers. Third point is no need for mouse. You can tap, swipe, or pinch to control the computer. What are the cons of touchscreen monitors? First point is more expensive. Touchscreen monitor cost more than regular monitors. Second point is fingerprints. The screen can get smudged easily. Third point is less durable. The screen may scratch or break if not handled carefully. Here you can see the comparison table. Backlight of LCD monitor is fluorescent light. Backlight of LED monitor is LEDs. Backlight of touchscreen monitor is LEDs or other backlight. Image quality of LCD monitor is good, but less vibrant than LED. Image quality of LED monitor is bright and vibrant colors. Image quality of touchscreen monitor is depends on underlying technology, LCD or LED. Energy use of LCD monitor is less efficient than LED. Energy use of LED monitor is more energy efficient. Energy use of touchscreen monitor is similar to LCD or LED, but touch adds some power use. Cost of LCD monitor is cheaper than LED. Cost of LED monitor is more expensive than LCD. Cost of touchscreen monitor is most expensive due to touch feature. LCD monitor is best for basic task, office work. LED monitor is best for general use, gaming and movies. Touchscreen monitor is best for interactive task, tablets, all-in-one PCs. Which one you should choose? Choose an LCD monitor if you want a budget-friendly option for basic task like browsing or office work. Choose an LED monitor if you want better image quality and energy efficiency for gaming, movies or general use. Choose a touchscreen monitor if you want to interact directly with the screen, like on tablet or all-in-one computer. Now we will see the summary. LCD monitors use liquid crystals and fluorescent backlight, good for basic task. LED monitors use liquid crystals and LED backlight, brighter and more energy efficient. Touchscreen monitors let you touch the screen to control the computer, great for interactive tasks. You have to choose the monitor that fits for your needs and the budget. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.